Redactables Redaction Wizard gives you the fastest way to get started with redaction. No setup, no steep learning curve. Everything you need is right in front of you, in one clean, intuitive interface. Let's take a walkthrough of how to use the Redaction Wizard. Once you open a document from your Redactable dashboard, the Redaction Wizard appears automatically. If it doesn't, you can easily launch it by clicking Redaction Wizard from the top toolbar. You'll see 4 options, each designed to help you redact based on your specific needs. Let's walk through them one by one. Auto redaction is the quickest and easiest way to get started. Once you click on Auto, Redactables AI scans your document for potentially sensitive information, things like names, addresses, or dates, and highlights them right away. You just review what's been flagged, select anything you want to redact, and hit Redact Items. When you're happy with the changes, go ahead and click Finalize Redaction. If you're working on a tight timeline or want to automate the heavy lifting, Auto is your go-to. If you already know what types of information you want to redact, like emails, phone numbers, or social security numbers, then the Categories method is for you. Click on Categories, and you'll get a list of predefined data types to choose from. You can either select all or just pick the ones you need. Once you've made your selections, click Search to let the wizard find everything in the document that matches. Then just review the results. Select what you'd like to redact and click Redact Items to apply. It's a great option when you're focused on redacting specific data types in bulk. Need to find and redact something specific, like a name, phrase, or custom term? Use search text. Once you open it, type in the word or phrase you're looking for. The wizard will pull up every instance of it in your document, so you can review each match. From there, select the ones you want to redact, then hit Redact Items. This method is ideal when you know exactly what you're targeting. And finally, if you prefer manual control, Manual Redaction lets you point, click, and redact anything in the document. No automation involved. Just choose Manual, then click directly on the text or area you want to redact. If you want to double-check everything before locking it in, click Redaction Preview to see how it all looks. The Redaction Wizard brings together automation, customization, and clarity, all in one place, so you can focus on what matters most, protecting sensitive information.